Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best smartphone gimbals to take your video recording to the next level. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just love capturing smooth, professional quality footage, these gimbals offer stability, advanced features, and ease of use. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're perfect for your creative needs. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to level up your mobile videography, let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're a content creator looking to elevate your smartphone videos, the Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer is a must-have. Combining cutting-edge AI technology, portability, and versatile features, this gimbal is designed to bring professional-level stabilization to your mobile footage. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Flow is its Deep Track 3.0, powered by AI. This next-gen tracking system ensures that your subject stays perfectly framed, even in dynamic shots. Whether you're filming a moving subject or need precision for slow-motion scenes, the AI-powered tracking keeps everything in focus, with added features like zoom tracking and person re-identification. The 3-axis stabilization is another highlight. The gimbal smooths out your shots, making handheld video look incredibly polished. Whether you're capturing high-speed action or slow panning shots, the stabilization technology removes those pesky shakes, ensuring every frame is as smooth as possible. What makes the Insta360 Flow even more convenient is its all-in-one design. It's not just a gimbal. It's a selfie stick, a tripod, and a power bank, all built into one sleek device. Set up stationary shots with a tripod. Capture the perfect selfie with the extendable stick, or charge your phone during shoots. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer is a must-have for smartphone videographers, whether you're shooting for YouTube, TikTok, or just capturing everyday moments. This gimbal combines 3-axis stabilization, cutting-edge object tracking, and a sleek design that makes it a top choice for both newbies and seasoned creators alike. One of the standout features of the Osmo Mobile 6 is its Active Track 6.0, which ensures your subject stays perfectly in frame, whether it's a moving child, a playful pet, or even yourself. Thanks to upgraded tracking technology, the gimbal sticks to your subject, keeping it in focus and centered, so you can shoot like a pro without needing a second person to help. The silky smooth shots you can achieve are thanks to the 3-axis stabilization, which eliminates shakes and jitters, even if you're walking, running, or jumping. No more blurry, wobbly footage. Your videos will look steady and professional every time. Number 3. Hohem iSteady M6 Gimbal Stabilizer. For smartphone videographers seeking a gimbal that offers both innovation and reliability, the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer is a standout choice. Whether you're vlogging, recording videos for social media, or capturing important moments, this gimbal promises a smooth, stable, and professional finish every time. One of the most impressive features of the iSteady M6 is its AI tracker. Unlike many other gimbals, the M6 offers face and body tracking without the need for Bluetooth or app connections, making it seamless and easy to use. The AI sensor can be activated or deactivated with simple gestures, ensuring that your subject remains in focus and in frame at all times. This hands-free tracking is perfect for solo creators who want to shoot dynamic, in-the-moment content without worrying about constantly adjusting the camera. The 7th-gen iSteady stabilization algorithm and 3-axis stabilization ensure buttery smooth footage, even in motion. Whether you're walking, running, or just shooting handheld, this gimbal keeps your shots steady and professional. Number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal is designed for creators who demand both portability and performance. Whether you're capturing breathtaking vlogs, TikTok videos, or travel memories, this gimbal offers professional-level stabilization and smart features, all in a lightweight and compact design. One of the standout features of the Osmo Mobile SE is its Active Track 6.0, which takes tracking to the next level. The upgraded tracking technology ensures that your subject, whether it's a fast-moving pet or your energetic kids, stays in the frame with ease. You can even make the gimbal track yourself, so you can become the star of your own production without needing help. The AI-powered Active Track offers smooth, reliable tracking to keep your footage looking polished. The 3-axis stabilization system ensures buttery smooth footage, no matter how much movement is involved. Whether you're running, walking, or shooting in motion. Number 1. Zhiyun Smooth 5 Phone Gimbal. The Zhiyun Smooth 5 Phone Gimbal sets the gold standard for smartphone stabilizers, combining advanced features with ease of use to elevate your content creation. Whether you're a budding vlogger, TikTok enthusiast, or YouTube creator, this 3-axis handheld gimbal delivers professional-grade stabilization in a compact and portable design. Exceptional stabilization for seamless footage. The standout feature of the Smooth 5 is its anti-shake technology. The 3-axis motor structure, paired with a refined algorithm. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.